it's Bill again, and today's topic will be direction. Direction is a really important topic because it will commonly pop up during some tests, and you need to be able to do these kind of questions. So the first question we have here is, in the below city street map, blue, orange, black, and grey buildings are a library, school, fire station, and more, but not in the same order. And then we have a little picture here. The library is located to northeast of the school. So once we see the northeast, we know that we have to draw a compass to help us do this question a little bit easier. So I'm going to first draw a compass. So a way to remember where all the directions are and what they're called is through this. Never eat soggy wheat bix. The never in that phrase corresponds to north. The eat corresponds to east. The soggy corresponds to south. And the wheat bix corresponds to west. Okay, so we already have our 4 buildings here, but we got to look at the rest of the conditions. So the library is located to northeast of the school and southwest of the fire station. So let's say that the school is here. The library is northeast of the school, which means that the library will be this direction. So let's put the library here. Now the library is also southwest of the fire station. So southwest means this way. So if the library is southwest of the fire station must be somewhere around here. And the final condition is the mall is located to the southeast of the fire station. Southeast would be this way, which means that the mall would be somewhere around here. So if we compare this to the picture that they gave us, obviously our school is correspondent to the blue building, which means that the answer here is A. Now, let's move on to our next question. Daniel moves 5 kilometers north, then turns 90 degrees clockwise and moves for 8 kilometers. He then turns 270 degrees anti-clockwise and runs for 7 kilometers. How can Daniel get back to his starting point? When I see this question, what I'm going to do first is write out Daniel's starting point for him. So I'm just going to delete this. Okay, so let's draw Daniel's starting point. Okay. He moves 5 kilometers north, as we know is this way. So he'll go 5 kilometers north. Make sure to label it so we don't get mixed up. 5 kilometers. Then he turns 90 degrees clockwise. So 90 degrees clockwise, we can just put it here, means that he goes from north to east. So kind of look like this. And he goes for 8 kilometers. So again, I'm going to label it. Next, he turns 270 degrees anti-clockwise and runs for 7 kilometers. Anti-clockwise would look a little like this when you start from east, making it so that he would go south. So Daniel's now going to go south for 7 kilometers. 7 kilometers. And this is where Daniel is going to end up. And the question is, how can Daniel get back to his starting point? Well, for Daniel to get back to his starting point, he'll have to go 8 kilometers west, because previously he moved 8 kilometers east. So he would go 8 kilometers west to counter the 8 kilometers east we went before. East. And because we went 7 kilometers south and we only went 5 kilometers north before, we'll have to go 2 kilometers north again to reach our starting point. So to get to our starting point, we need to move 8 kilometers west and 2 kilometers north. And if we look here, that's A. So our final answer is going to be A. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you want any questions to be answered. Thank you.